with Ma'am Honda and the whole family. As an evening prayer before the next call is started. So, after Honorable Amy 1041, who wants to join the evening net, especially the stations from Royalty area, go ahead. This is your control on standby.
Topsider on milestone.
Location set, Topsider.
Diri sa luar Kabangkalan na si secure.
And that, Topsider and Milestone, summer Kabangkalan, of course, together with their loved ones. For the login, once again, good evening. Topsider and Milestone, anything forward from the area, go ahead, this is your control, on standby.
Ikaw na pa yung magnet ko.
Mapil ako.
Hindi ka na pa istorya.
I'm calling to the 1041 KLZ area. May I have your call now? This is your net control on standby. From the station from LZ area, go ahead. This is your control on standby.
Tingnan na nag-music.
People will proceed to the area from Campalanas area. Any 1041, go ahead. This is your control on standby. Any 1041 from Campalanas, this is your control on monitor. Ten four one from Campalanas area. This is your net control on standby. Last call, any 1041 from Campalanas area. This is your control, 1043. Negative will proceed to the area of San Juan area. Any 1041, go ahead. This is your net control on 1003. Who joins to our evening net, who wants to join our evening net from San Juan area. This is your net control on 1023.
Control. Shot.
Hello, baby shark. Temporary location is Larina. Thank you for the login. Once again, good evening. San Juan area, this is your net control on standby. Next to baby shark, to those who want to join the evening net, go ahead. This is your net control on monitor.
Ikaw na.
Proceed to the area of upper secure, go ahead. This is your net control on 1023. Who wants to join the evening net, especially the location of upper secure, this is your net control on 1023.
Ma'am Garfield, Ilagin.
Upper secure, this is your net control on 1023. Sky, go ahead sir, good evening. Do you have a traffic? Your location? Mr. Sky, together with your loved ones, your lady, and your kiddos, thank you for the login. Your location is Kamunag. Once next to Phil Sky, forward wants to join the evening net, especially the upper secure, go ahead. This is your net control on 1023.
Roll, Kambuyaw. Sikinin. Negative traffic.
Kambuyaw, go ahead sir, good evening.
Ma'am, Kambuyaw. Kangasa, secure.
Kambuyaw location, Kangasa secure, 74 traffic, yes. Good night ninyo din sir, sa imong lady. Oh, yes, thank you for the login. any 1041 who wants to join the evening net, this is your control. Antenne 23. Hi, please, go ahead. Good evening. Hey, 1041 who wants to join the evening net, especially the after secure, go ahead. This is your net control. Antenne 23. We'll proceed to the proper secure area. Proper secure area. Go ahead. Good evening. Anytime for one who wants to join the evening net, especially the proper secure area. Go ahead. This is your net control on 10-23.
Second control, good evening.
Call 9, please.
Once again, control, good evening and good evening to all monitoring station. This is Security 1. Temporary location, Maria Siquijor. Together with my YL. Negative traffic lang control. Just supporting the evening net call of Orasis Radio Club Secure Chapter. And I just want to congratulate you, Control, for handing tonight's net 73 to you and also to all monitoring station. And once again, good evening and mabuhay ang Orasis.
Security 1 for the login. And for ones who are on 10-8, thank you so much, Security 1, together with his YL. The location is somewhere Maria Siquijor. Evening greetings to all 1041 of Orasis. Again, thank you so much, Security 1, and good evening. Security 1, anything for one who wants to join the evening net, especially to the proper area of Siquijor, go ahead. Good evening.
So, this is Pretty Boy. Different location, Tangi, no more traffic.
Sa pangis siya.
So much, Pretty Boy, for the login.
Okay.
For once on monitor, Pretty Boy, somewhere Pagi, Siquijor. For traffic to all 1041, but extending his